Hi everybody, it's Katie Austin here and welcome to your daily workout. Today's workout is going to be a quick side body toning routine, also known as love handles. We're gonna give ourselves a little bit of self-love from our love handles. So we are gonna get right into it, start with a few deep breaths right here. But as you guys come into these deep breaths, I want you guys to put your feet a little bit more than hip distance apart, almost like you're about to do a plie squat, but we're going to inhale and exhale, opening up that chest. How we feeling today, fam? Hopefully great. Giving ourselves a little bit of self-love. Wherever you are in the world, thank you so much for being here. Inhale and exhale. As we finish that last exhale, we're gonna come right here into that plie with our hands right behind our head. We're gonna get right into it, which we have a little bit of a side body crunch in that plie squat. So taking your hands behind your head with good posture, sit back with that plie, side to side. Oh yeah, nice work. Exhale every crunch. Now, some of these moves are gonna go a little bit faster, so I need you guys to really give it your all. Practice your deep breath, inhale, exhale as you crunch, great. Now, I'm gonna remind you guys that a lot, all right? So when you're doing some ab work or some side body work like today, focusing on your breath is really important. As you crunch is when you exhale. Remember that, inhale, exhale, just to make sure we're aligning our breath with the move we're doing. Last one, keeping your hands right behind your head. Hold, relax with those legs, and meet me into standing. Now, as our hands are right behind our head still, we're gonna take one leg towards the same elbow and crunch. Great. Beautiful. Add a little bit of a side bend at the top as well. Side bend, center, crunch. Great. Side bend, center, crunch. Awesome. Again, exhale. Get that knee up there. For 3, 2, leaving your hands behind your head in 1. What we have here are just some side leg lifts. Now, probably like this is really working my outer thighs, not my love handles. I want you guys to focus on the side body as you get that leg up there. Of course, we're gonna be working a little bit of our outer thighs right here, but balance through your core. Hold, squeeze, and relax. Wonderful. 4, woo! 3, awesome. Leave your hands behind your head. We're gonna switch sides. Here we go. Adding that little baby crunch at the end, and exhale, great. I also just wanna get something straight, y'all. We're giving a little bit of love to our love handles right now, but at the same time, you can't necessarily target the technically fat on your love handles, okay? I do want to note that you can strengthen different parts of your body and strengthen different parts of your abs, which we're doing right now. That will in turn help with the burning of the fat, but at the same time, you can't target necessarily your love handles. Plus, your love handles are stunning, all right? You're beautiful the way you are. And now let's come into these leg lifts. Wonderful. I just also know how hard it is too, to really, I know you can't target your love handles, but I know how hard it is too if you're in a workout and you're like, I really just want to at least feel it in my side body, right? These moves will all just help strengthen our side body, also our obliques, which is great. Nice work. Last 2. Last 1, step to the end of your mat right here. Also, a lot of these moves too will help with your outer thighs as well. So we're gonna walk down into a high plank position. Walk our hands down, high plank it out. Holding that high plank right there, getting situated. Feel free to pedal out your feet. Inhale And as you exhale, high plank. What we're gonna do is same knee to elbow, hold, tap, release, and switch. Here we go, let's get started, guys. Inhale, exhale, great. Awesome work, you guys. Keep me a strong upper body. Beautiful, stay with me. 8, that's right. 7, count it with me out loud. 6, woo. 5, almost there. 4, 3, great. 2, and 1. Slowly lower onto your knees. Great work, you guys. So what I want you guys to do is straighten out one leg, and then the opposite arm is coming down into your elbow, okay? So straightening out one leg, hold right there, squeeze your booty. Opposite elbow is on the mat. We're gonna slowly come right here, knee to elbow tap, and then release back out. Really feel that side body lengthen as you release as well. Inhale, exhale, tap. Now what I want you guys to do here as you tap, put a tiny bit of pressure for a second or two on that elbow and release. Great. Pressure, release. Awesome work, you guys. It might not look like much. Hopefully you guys feel it. Oh yeah. Nice. Make sure to squeeze that back glute as you come right here. Point that toe, squeeze, lengthen. Awesome. For 4, nice work. 2, leave the leg straight up there on this last one. Hold it out there. Beautiful. Now straight leg coming out just a few inches and then back to center. Straight leg out and back to center. Great. Awesome work, you guys. We're holding, release. Beautiful. We're just coming out laterally with that leg. Just about, I would say what is that, a foot? I'm not very good with measurements right here. But lateral, release. For 3, great. 2, and 1. Awesome work, you guys. Shake it off, 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 shake it off. Whoa. All right, other side. Are you ready? So, opposite elbow down, opposite foot nice and straight. You know what? I wanna come to this side so y'all can see. All right, we're on this side. You guys don't have to move though. I want knee to elbow and release back. Awesome. Knee to elbow and oops, got some on my knee. Release, great. Now, adding that pressure just a little bit and then release, awesome. Keep that neck neutral, so try not to look at me too much and strain your neck. We do not want that. Slow and steady, tiny bit of pressure on that knee against your elbow, just creating a little bit of that resistance can really add a challenging moment. Awesome. Give me 4 more. We got 2 more. Woo! Last one, and we're leaving that leg out there, okay? So leave that leg out there. Lateral, shift, back to center. Awesome. Shift, hold, center. Awesome work, you guys. And exhale, great. Oh yeah. Outer thighs are on fire too, baby. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, last one, and 1. As you finish that, we're rolling around onto our booty and onto our back. Holding right there, planting your feet. Take a second right here if you guys need. 1 deep breath in. as you exhale, picking those shoulders up off the mat, picking your head up off the mat, we have toe taps, okay? So make sure your heels are enough close to your butt to tap them, and we're shifting from side to side, just like that. Awesome, you guys. Inhale to exhale. Awesome work. Here we freaking go. Now, if you guys need a little extra help here, you guys, speaking of with neck tension, you know, place your hands right behind your head and shift the same movement right here. Sometimes that helps. Here we freaking go. Woo, 10, 9, get those shoulders even up further. Reach further. Reach for your shoelaces. 6, 5, great. 2, and 1. Finish that last one and meet me on your side. Great work, you guys. Breathe in and exhale. We're almost kind of, not really, but we're almost done. Not really, but we're close. We're coming onto our elbows in a side plank. So straighten out your legs just right here, coming up into that side plank. And what we're gonna do now is slow little dips down, okay? Hip dips, side plank. Nice work. Inhale, exhale. Great. You got this, y'all. Great. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What we're gonna do is come up on a T-stand. So just the inside knee is coming and bent in, just like that, coming up into that T-stand. And what we're gonna first do is thread the needle through and coming right back up. Great. Inhale, and exhale, release. Great work, you guys. Slow down your breath right here. Last 2. Twisting that torso. And last 1. Staying right here, beautiful. Now, besides your, instead of your fingers right above your head, we're just gonna diagonally reach over, side body stretch, and then crunch it out. Wonderful. Side body and crunch. Now, this toe is never touching that mat, all right? If you guys need some extra help, of course, but if y'all can meet me right here, that's beautiful. Now, what I want you guys to do is really lengthen. Feel yourself lengthening, and then crunch. Great. Inhale, and exhale. Awesome work, you guys. If you haven't already subscribed to my program, now is the perfect time to do so. I have so many, hundreds of workout classes where I lead you guys through all the greatest workouts. Last one. Relax. Same thing on the other side. You guys ready? We're gonna come into a side plank and then lift our hips up and straighten out our legs and come into these nice hip dips. Here we go, let's crush it. We only have a few right here, activating our side body. Beautiful. 8, 7, 6, you got it. 3, 2, and 1. Inside knee coming in. Great work. Hand coming up. Let's thread the needle through. Inhale and exhale. Great. Slowing down that heart rate just a tad. Really twisting. The more you twist, the more you're really gonna get your abs. Last 2. Engage your core here, okay, you guys? I know it feels nice and easy, but making sure you're engaging that core. Great. Now again, fingertips diagonally across, stretching out that side body. Let's crunch it out. Float that toe. Nice work. Really stretch, release. Great. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful, squeeze that back glute as well. Don't forget about it. Nice. 4 more. Two more. Last one. And relax. How do we feel, guys? Let's come right here to center on our knees. Take a nice deep breath in. And from side to side, just feel that stretch. You guys need one hand down to feel that side stretch a little bit more. From side to side. Slowing down that heart rate a little bit. Deep breath in. And give me a great audible exhale. Letting it all go. One more time. Deep breath in. Letting it all go. Last but not least, rolling out those shoulders right here. Self-love. Give yourself a little bit of massage. Close your eyes and just really ease your tension in your neck. I need it. I need it. So as you're sitting there, maybe stretching out your side body, giving yourself a neck massage right there. Quick reminder that this right here is self-love. You're doing something to better yourself. So no matter what it is, big or small, every single day, to give yourself a little bit of self-love, whether it's 5 minutes, whether it's a whole hour, whether it's like a freaking massage, or just 5 minutes of stretching, or 5 minutes of something that you love to better yourself every single day. That way, you're not only better for yourself and you, but you're happier for other people, okay? So you can give to other people the best that you can. And it's taken me a while. I'm 30 now, and it's taken me a while, like all of my 20s, to realize being selfish is actually a good thing. Hear me out here. Not always, obviously, help other people, but you are priority. You come first, and that's what I mean by being selfish, because when you come first, then you can give better to everybody else and be the best version of yourself. So remember that as you go into the rest of your day. I love you guys. That was my self-love preach. Treat yourself well because you deserve it. Bye, guys.